So today I'll be covering on what do you wear when you want to go kayaking. I've got you covered. Just chill, relax. Don't worry, I've got you covered on this. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ojewunmi. I am an introvert and I make videos, amazing videos on fun and wholesome indoor and outdoor activities you can do as an introvert. Your kayaking outfit consists of 5 essential items, very essential if I may say so. The first item is a swimsuit or casual clothing, which could be a pair of shorts and maybe a short sleeve top like what I've got, or a long sleeve top. It's also advisable that you probably should bring a change of clothes as you likely get wet when you're kayaking. Alright, so the second item is flip-flops or a pair of slippers as it's known here in Nigeria, or you could wear Crocs. Now, you wear these things, you wear the slippers or flip-flops or Crocs to the venue. However, personally, I would advise that when you're getting into the kayak that you go barefoot because it's more comfortable and your feet may, I'm not saying it will, it may get wet, with the waves and what have you. It may get wet, so you don't want to be wearing maybe socks or an expensive pair of shoes that just gets wet for nothing if you can't avoid it. Right. So the third item is a sun shielding hat or a cap, and it should be one that won't get blown off your head if it gets windy when you're kayaking. Why I emphasize that you should bring this is because it might get sunny, and why have the sun rays in your eyes when you can get a hat or a cap that will protect you and allow you to enjoy your kayaking experience, right? So that's why I say go with the sun shielding hat or cap. If you're enjoying the content of this video thus far, please show some love by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and hit, or rather tap that notification bell so that you'll be the first to know of the next awesome video. Thank you. The fourth item is sunglasses. I think that's a no-brainer. Especially here in Lagos, it's sunny. You really just don't want the sun rays in your eyes, like you're having to strain your eyes. And why have something like that take away from the marvelousness that is kayaking, right? So do away with all that. Just wear a pair of sunglasses that will protect your eyes from the sun rays, which can be blinding, depending on the time of day you go kayaking, right? The fifth essential item that I believe should be part of your kayaking outfit is sunscreen, and it's really important to apply it on your skin to protect your skin from ultraviolet rays exposure. So these are the 5 items that make up your kayaking outfit. Now I'll throw in a bonus here, and the bonus is a pair of kayak gloves. Now the gloves will help you if you've got soft palms or if you intend to kayak for a long distance. It helps prevent blisters from forming on your palms. Also, it helps you to grip the kayak paddle better. You have a better grip when you're kayaking, right? If you like to buy any or all of the items I've mentioned that form part of your kayaking outfit, then check out the description box below. I have included links to each of the items just to make your life easier. Thanks. Did I miss out any essential item that should form part of your kayaking outfit? Please let me know in the comments. I'm open to learning so that the next time I go kayaking, I can take it along with me. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Till the next video, please stay safe. Okay, yeah, you're all vibed up, you're all, it's important why I invite it. That's the funny thing. Sunscreen is not for, it helps protect your skin from the ultraviolet